car. I had a car that was willed to me, and hello?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
You had a car that was willed to you.
Yeah, and
Okay.
it was stolen, and I had it covered, fully covered. And when I had it fully covered, I wrote the company. I called the insurance company and told them that the car was stolen, and that I wanted to get insurance because he had passed away, and I got full coverage on it. They had me to send a death certificate and the will to them, and when I sent it to them, I started paying on it, and it's been over 3 years ago. And the people that own the car, because I was paying on the car also because it wasn't paid for, I sent them the same thing, the will and the death certificate. Now, the car got stolen, and nobody wants to pay. They said it wasn't my car.
Okay. All right. So what are your thoughts on hearing a little bit about that situation?
Well, you have to make sure insurance is going to cover the person who owns the car, and so you need to make sure that you do have ownership of the car, and that you cover it. I mean, you need to make sure before the car gets out there on the road. As soon as you get it, you need to make sure you get insurance, and obviously you want to get collision coverage. I think if you can afford full coverage, you want to get every type of coverage you can get. And this sounds like a really bad situation. I don't know that we can really answer it with with the facts that we have here today, but you just want to make sure that when you the insurance is going to apply to the owner of the car, and that's the person who's going to buy it, and you need to make sure you have it.
And anytime there's something sticky like that, that's out of the usual or ordinary, would you suggest that person sitting down with their insurance agent, just going in, sitting down with them and going over their situation to see whether or not it covers what their situation is?
Absolutely. It's important when you're getting insurance, one, get a sample copy of the policy you're going to be getting, and then after you've gotten that sample policy and read through it, ask a lot of questions and make sure you fully understand it, because there can be some fine print in there, and when it comes down to it, that insurance policy is going to be the thing that controls.